So hari ni actually kita orang keluar tadi quite late. It's after asar, around 6 o'clock macam tu. Memula pergi keringkan baju kat Dobi, and then straight pergi ke Curve lah. Tak plan pun nak keluar, but sebab the kids daripada tengah hari tadi lah dia dah bising cakap, "Mummy come let's go out, Mummy come let's go out, let's go out." So nak pun saya dengar dia orang cakap benda tu je. So kata okey lah, jom lah keluar lah kan. Ingat nak pergi playground but nampaknya tak sempat. So dia orang just pergi a few shop. Macam biasalah dia orang pergi Lego, tengok-tengok Lego, and then pergi Smiggle, tengok barang-barang kat situ. And Nat pun masuk a few shop jugalah sebab Habi tiba-tiba WhatsApp kata yang belikan perfume ni. After that dah semua masuk kedai semua tu, we went to have dinner lah. So dinner ni tanya diorang nak makan apa. Diorang kata diorang nak makan kat IKEA. We went back to Curve sebab nak balik, but on the way there we pass Baskin Robbins lah, and it's the 31st day of the month. So diorang ada offer, and we bought the medium. It's not the giant one. Campur dua flavor lah. So dua flavor we pick. Yeah.
I like cookie dough.
Okay. Chocolate chip cookie dough and strawberry cheesecake. So after that we just went home lah. Memang tak ada playground, but when I asked the kids they said they are happy. Yeah, they are happy lah. Dia orang dapat keluar kan, sebab kalau tidak terperap je dekat rumah kan, tengok mami kerja, tengok budak-budak pun dah bosan sebab tak bagi dia orang tengok TV banyak. So suruh dia orang main pun dia orang dah tak tahu nak main apa dah. Tu yang dia orang ajak keluar tu. On the way home tu ada pula accident, jam gila tadi dekat tengah jalan tu. So it's pretty bad. I think sebab ada ambulance, ada polis kan. So that's why tadi jalan memang jam bila nak balik ke arah sini. Right now it's around nak pukul 11 dah. No, it's almost 11. It's 10:45, 10:48. It's already 10:48. So nak tadi sampai rumah tadi terus bagi dia orang a few scoops of ice cream. So and now I'm going to get them to bed. Tomorrow have school. Okay, so that's all for today. Bye bye.
No, we are going to Japan.
Actually Nat je yang keluar dengan the kids hari ni sebab husband tak cuti, even though it's Cuti Thaipusam, but biasalah kalau dah ada company sendiri ni. But ni sebab cuti di pertengahan minggu kan, so better dia terus dia terus kerja lah. Lagipun tomorrow he's going to Japan for a few days. Work related.
And we are going to Japan too. And we are going to Japan.
You're not going to Japan. You all have school.
No, we are going.
You are not.
We are going. Daddy never leave us here.
Okay.